Hello, today I will show you how to use Playwright to get the complete HTML code of a dynamic website. This is the website we are going to scrape. This was a job post on Upwork. It was for $30. There is a load more button at the end of the page, and you need to click it to load more results. And we we are going to click this until we see all the elements of the page. There will be no load more button at the end. And also, there are for every item, approximately there are 1,000 items, by the way. There are more details buttons at the right of every item. And if you click them, as you see, more data are loaded on the page. Let me show you in the HTML code what is changing when we do those actions. If I click this load more button, as you see, the more data are loaded, and also if you click those more details buttons one by one, those TR tags are loaded on the HTML code, and the data in the gray area, dark gray area, will be under those new TR tags. Okay, what are we going to do is this: we are going to use Playwright and click this load more button until the end. Then we are going to come to the beginning of the page and click those load more buttons one by one until we get all the data. After that, we are going to take the HTML code and put it on a text file. After that, it can be used with Beautiful Soup or any other library you want to parse the data, scrape the data. Let's open PyCharm and start coding this. First, we are going to install Playwright package. I've already installed it, so I'm just showing it to you. And if this is the first time you are using Playwright, you need to also write Playwright install. This will install Playwright to your computer. I've already installed it, as I said, so there will be nothing in here. Okay, after the installations, we are going to import Playwright from Playwright.sync API. We will import sync Playwright. After that, to start our Playwright Chrome driver, I will write with sync Playwright as pw. We are going to open this as if we are opening a text file, and we will create the browser. Browser will be equal to pw.chromium.launch. We will call launch, and I will add headless setting to false in here because I want to see the action, and it is true by default. It is headless by default. Now we are going to create a page object using this browser.new page. After that, it is ready to go to the website. We will write page.goto, and we will write the URL here. Let's open it. I will copy this and paste it in here. Okay. Let's open the browser and find the load more button, because we are going to click this after we open the page with page.goto. Okay, we are going to select this button using the text inside of it. I will copy this. There is a very cool method of Playwright that you can use to select the elements by the text inside of them. I will write load more button, and it will be page.getByText, and I'll just paste the text I copied from the browser in here. Okay, this will find the button, and after that we are going to click it. We will use dot click like we do in Selenium. Okay, but pressing it one time is not enough. We are going to take this in a while true loop and click it the number of times that we need. And at some point we need to understand that all the items are loaded, and we are not going to click this button for search for this button anymore, And I am going to use a try and catch block for this, because when the when Playwright can't find this button, it will throw an exception, and if it throws an exception, this will mean all the items are loaded. We are not going to let the program crash. We are going to get in this except, and we are going to break from this loop, and after that all the items will be loaded on the page. Now we are going to go to the website again and click this more details buttons one by one until we get to the end of the page, end of all the items. I will create a list of those more details buttons. Let's call it more details list, and it will be page dot. Now we are going to use locator. The locator is different than the driver that find elements of Selenium, because you do not need to select the method you are going to use. You will just write the selector, and it will understand if it's an expert expression or a CSS selector. You will just write the expression in here. Let's go to the website and find what we need to write for to get those more details buttons. I will right click and inspect one of them, and we are going to click this A tag. For this, I will select this div with the class name and go to the A tag under it. Let's go and do this. I will use CSS selector. Div.format details. This is the class name, and after one blank line, I will write A to go to the A tag, and after this, I will write dot all to get all of them as a list, and here are all the items right now. Okay, now I will start a loop. This will be very simple for item in more details list item dot click. After this point, everything we need will be visible on the HTML code of the page, and we are going to take the source code in a variable. I'll call it page HTML, and this will be equal to, we are going to take it from a page of Playwright, page.content. Okay, now I will open a text file and write this page HTML to the as txt. Let's call it page HTML.txt in write mode as f, and I will write f.write, and I will put page HTML that we defined here in here. Okay, but I will also, before taking the content of the page, I want to wait a number of seconds, because if you do not wait here, the more details section of the last three items will not be loaded. It needs a little time to get loaded in the page content. So I will wait with the attributes of Playwright here. I'll write page dot wait for timeout, and this method takes milliseconds, so I will wait for 10 seconds, so I will write here 10,000. Okay, now we ready to run this program. I will right click and run this. The Playwright is opened, and as you see, it is clicking this load more button very fast. Okay, after it loads all the content, I will speed up the video, because clicking those more details buttons takes a lot of time, because there are 1,000 of them approximately. Now this will go to the beginning of the page and start clicking those more details buttons. Now it is waiting a little bit, because it is in the except block. It takes a little time, but in a few seconds it will start clicking those more details buttons. Okay, it started. I will speed up the video until the end. Okay, it clicked all the buttons and it is waiting for 10 seconds and it is done. Now let's look at the text file that we get from this website after pressing all the buttons and loading all the data. Here is the text file with all the data we need. It is very long because we have a lot of items. It has 37,000 rows in it. After this point, we need to take this HTML text and use it to scrape data with Beautiful Soup. I'm not going to do this, but I will show you by copying and pasting the code I wrote before. Scraper. I will copy and paste it here, what I did. As I said, I will not do this. You can find this code in the GitHub link below. The important thing is in here. We will take this, by the way, its name will be this one. Okay, we will take this text file and read it and save it into a variable. After that, we are going to use it in Beautiful Soup. And the rest is very straightforward. We are going to scrape the data and put it in a data frame. After that, we are going to save it to an Excel file. By the way, let me just show you the results. This is the Excel file we will get at the end with all the data of, let me check how many items are there, with 1011 items. Okay, this was all for this video. As I said, you can find this beautiful part of the code in the link below. Thank you for listening. If you like the content, please subscribe to this channel because more videos like this will be in here in the future. Thank you. Goodbye.